Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are here sa Klook Travel Fest in SM Mega Mall Fashion Hall. This is the first day, review day sa mga media and also Klook Travel Influencers. So let's check it out, yo. Start pa lang yung program and tour ko kayo sa mga booth. I guess this event is until Sunday. So check it out, yo. Punta na kayo dito para makakuha na kayo ng mga magagandang deals offered by Klook for your travel and also attractions, staycation at marami pang iba pa. So let's check it out, yo. Watch this video.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Klook Travel Fest 2024. I am your friendly hotel concierge, Erica Lucas from Pigag and Wawali. Stay with us.
Sama ko si Dayan. Ano Instagram mo?
So Facebook is Dayan Adventures and also YouTube. I'd like to invite
ayun.
on stage
Sa Instagram lang kami nagkakilala, kami in person.
And Mila Roqueza, Associate Director.
Yo, Dayan.
Alright, is everyone ready to explore? It's
yo.
Here we go.
Nice to meet you, ha.
2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Travel Fest 2024 is now officially open for check-in. Welcome to your grandest getaway here at the and get a chance to win Swiss travel passes from Switzerland Tourism and Swiss Travel Systems.
Oh, so visit kayo sa booth ng Hong Kong Ocean Park. Pag nag-post kayo ng picture dyan sa photo op nila, you'll get this cute panda from Hong Kong. Check it out, yo. Libre yan, libre yan. Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We're back again here sa Klook Travel Fest. So mag-tour na tayo, no? Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga booth dito at mga attractions. I guess if you're hunting for good travel deals, ito na, kay Klook Travel Fest tayo. Let's check it out, yo. Tour tayo. Alright, guys, this is the Klook Travel Fest. And I believe you need to go here muna to the Klook Concierge for some inquiry or questions. Ako hindi ko nga alam kung paano to kasi na-invite lang naman kami to go here at may pang-book na ako. Okay na ako. May pang-book na ako ng hotel na magamit ko pa for my family, with my family. So let's check it out, yo. At medyo 11 o'clock na, open na to the public, so medyo kino-cordon off lang nila yung entrance kasi puno na para hindi tayo magdikitan. Ito. Ano natin to say? Miss, ano tong flyer na dala nyo? Ano tong flyer na to? Discount card. Pinamimigay nyo ba?
Yes, sir.
So pwede ka makahingi ng isa. Ito may mga code pala. Ito pala yung mga code nila na magagamit mo sa inyong club, sa Klook Travel Fest. So, kailangan mag-book ka dito at gagamitin mo to para makapag-book ka. Alright, sige. Thank you.
Thank you po.
So, that's it. Kumuha tayo and analyze natin ito mami habang kumakain tayo. They have also here some customer service, if you need information about the event, kung meron kayong kailangan assistance, may lounging area dito na may upuan. At here sa Resorts World Sentosa, where you can play basketball. I guess may prize yata yan. No? Check natin. May prize ba, miss? May prize? Anong prize niya?
150 po. So,
150 off?
150 po. 150 po is
150 points. Kala ko 150 off. Kala ko 150 off eh. Ha?
150% off.
Kala ko 150 off eh. Okay. Sige. Dito tayo sa kabila. At sa kabila naman is GCash. I mentioned yung few weeks ago, no, about the GCash Klook Travel Card. So, check natin kung available na, no, kasi nakapag-apply na tayo. Eh. Sabi, papadala daw sa bahay, pero wala pa tayo nakuha. So, inquire natin. Okay. Sir, makakakuha na ba ng card ngayon? Or i-mail sa bahay?
Dali po kayo ng Klook card.
Oo.
Ang advice po sa amin is on or before October 30.
Papadala. Okay, so hindi ko na kailangan mag-ano ulit dito. Thank you. Ayan, thank you. So, ayun, since nakapag-register na tayo, makuha ko na sa bahay. Shout out sa ating katropa. What's up? Saan ang next travel mo?
Kami ng Boracay this month.
Boracay. Hong Kong.
Next month, next year na.
Next year na. Kasi Vermont na, no? Vermont. Sana all. Sana all makapag-travel ulit kami nito. Last time namin, Japan kami last time.
Cruise.
Sana meron ulit. Abangan natin. Sige.
Baka naman.
Next ko kasi Zamboanga eh. Local, puro local ako. Eh. Alright, let's go back here. So marami nag-inquire about anything about using the... Actually, marami nag-inquire about using the codes. Ayan, yung mga codes na yan. Ayan. Yung mga codes na yan. So, there's ito, hot deal. So, 50% off El Nido. Wow! Oh my gulay. Check it out, yo. Grabe. Check it out, yo. Okay, ito yung pinaka-highlight dito, no? Yung Madame Tussauds na unveiling mamayang 12 noon. Ano oras ba? 11 o'clock. Antayin na lang natin ito. Huwag tayo lumabas. Kasi ito yung wax figure ni Lea Salonga na nilaunching kahapon sa Soler. So, since tayo na-invite sa Soler, andito tayo, abangan natin. I guess baka pupunta si Lea Salonga. Abangan na rin din natin. Surprise! So, yung tayo galing kanina sa Ocean Park. Nagpicture-picture lang tayo dito and you get a cute stuffed toy. Ayan. And I'm sure si Let's Go Sago, papalitan na ng character. Panda na, hindi na unggoy. Ano, wala bang comeback si Let's Go Sago? Palitan mo na! Oo, di ba? O, yan, si Junel, tropa natin. Abangan mo ba yung yung kay Madame Tussauds? Nag-e-entry ka pala dyan? Yeah. Sige. So, ayun lang naman. At over here is may photo contest, si World Traveler. Ayan. Nag-picture na ako pero hindi pa ako nakakapag-post. Mamaya na ako mag-post. At meron sila itong JR Pass printing booth. Hindi ko alam kung para saan ito. Sa printing area. I guess so. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung style dito for the booking. But I guess it's ano ba yung ino-offer nila? Kasi may mga scheduling yung mga ino-offer. So once na lumabas yung scheduling dito, you're going here yata sa concierge to book it using your Klook. I think so, parang ganun. Kasi nung last Travel Fest, hindi ako nakapunta, so hindi ko alam yung style dito. I guess I need to talk to someone, na paano ba yung strategy dito. Para hindi tayo mahirapan pag nagturo tayo. Hindi natin alam kung ano nga nangyayari dito. Okay. I'm here with Maki sa Klook. Ito yung matinding budol namin. Ayan.
Until tomorrow.
Hanggang tomorrow. Ayan.
Thank you po.
Thank you din. So, ayun na nga. Nakusap ko si Miss Maki of Klook kanina. So, yun nga. It's like a live flash sale of the Klook codes. Kung ano yung display sa screen, they have a parang duration lang na available yung code at until supplies last. Paunahan siya kung sino makakapag-book. Like for example, they're going to post a 50% off overnight stay sa El Nido, for example. So, possible na meron 10 pieces yun o 20 pieces. Paunahan na lang siyang makabook. So, I guess may iba nag-aabang dito ng mga out-of-country booking sa mga hotels, So, yun pala yung gimmick dito sa Klook Travel Fest. It's an event flash sale of travel deals na limited lang and also may duration. So, good luck sa inyong lahat. I'll try to book na rin din if ever, Yari yung Gcash natin ito. Okay, let's do this. So, medyo epal lang tayo ng konti, wala naman tao. So, sa likod ko yung mga codes. So, ayan. So, mamayang 11:30, 50% off sa Charlie's Island. So, ayan yun. So, mamaya ipa-flash nila yung code. So, abangan natin. Meron pa tayong 7 minutes to check it out and use the code. Yung code nila, Ay! Nag-aabang ka ng sale, ha? Nakita ka na. Yun sila.
Gusto nyo ng hot deals? Alam nyo, sobrang kami dito. It allows you to enjoy the breathtaking views of Cadlao Island. And in QR code, so iscan nyo na po yan ngayon sa lahat ng mga nagpaplano ng El Nido trip nila. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! For 50% off at Charlie's El Nido, our promo code is CharlieELN for no minimum spend, maximum discount.
there yesterday when we did the unveiling at the Solaire Resort in Parañaque. She could not believe it and she started crying. I had some of my best friends there along with her, and these are people that know me really well, and they were all freaking out. I've been to the London Museum twice, and I think once to New York, and it's really creepy how accurate a lot of these wax figures are. And it's such a treat. And to be chosen to have a wax likeness made it's an honor. It's such a dream to be included.
Very well deserved. Nagdilang anghel si Mami.
Nagdilang
anghel.
That's the best way to say it. Yeah.
Yes. All right. Countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's such a
Nakakatakot! Ginigilan mo na ako, grabe!
Our Broadway legend herself, Miss Lea Salonga.
Ang galing, grabe!
All right. Let's find the perfect angle.
Right here.
Okay, right here.
There.
She is smiling at me. Miss Lea, would you do the honors for a quick photo op, please join your wax twin. All right, guys, for our media partners, it is your time to take a quick photo or video with our legendary Miss Lea Salonga. Official photographer. Guys, let's give it up for Lea Salonga! Alright, I am so excited. I will be joining you here, Miss Lea. I hope you can still chat with me.
She won't bite. She's very friendly and approachable.
She is smiling at everyone.
The real
right
person, not always so much. So
you are so sweet. All right,
very nice,
Miss
to a point,
Lea.
but she's nice all the time.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Like, hindi sumasagot.
Magulat tayo pag sumagot. Miss Lea, how do you feel about finally seeing your wax twin?
Oh, she's beautiful.
She is.
They captured my personality, and it's not just the physical features. It's my personality, my essence, my snark, my cheekiness. They captured who I was. It's who I am. It's not just, hindi lang kasi yung anyong physical, yung nakukuha nila, kundi pati rin yung personality. So it's such an honor, it's such a privilege to be immortalized in wax in this way. And it's not just actually it's not just one Filipino that gets to be immortalized, because this is a gown made by Rahul Laurel, who's a Filipino designer. So the two of us in partnership are hand in hand at Madame Tussauds in Singapore. So I got to take him along with me.
Kulturang Pinoy talaga yung nakuha.
Pinoy yung
Filipino
designers. And yeah, and I think I am the first Filipino artist to be at Madame Tussauds in Singapore. So that's pretty cool.
That is historical. Shout out to everyone na nandun na pumapalakpak.
I know, you guys are so high up. And
Ayan, sa Jen at Prater. Alright, Miss Lea.
It might be a while before I will personally get to see my wax twin in action or not at the attraction on Sentosa Island. But my brother, Gerard, he is already scheduling himself to go. Like,
he knows.
On the 26th of September, I think he and his wife, she was there yesterday at the unveiling, and she lost her mind. She absolutely lost it. Naloka yung sister-in-law ko when she saw it in person. And my brother saw pictures and he was freaking out. So he's actually going to get to see the wax figure in person, because they're going to go watch Miss Saigon over in Singapore. So they're going to do that trip, and then they're In Singapore, well, first of all, you have to buy a plane ticket to go to Singapore in order to visit her in context sa actual attraction mismo. And just wait for my brother to post photos and stories. I'm sure we'll get much more guidance on what's gonna happen. But
Alright guys, so that's the end of our vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. Pumunta kayo sa Klook bukas, no, Sunday, para makakuha rin kayo ng mga travel deals din. And also see Madame Tussauds wax figure ni Lea Salonga. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog. Vlog adventure. Okay, kita-kits.